Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the draw wire's stroke and the mounting orientation so you don't run out of travel. Once done, fasten the base plate solidly and route the cable through a protective grommet. Make sure bends are gentle and larger than 3 times the cable diameter to avoid wear. Next, attach the cable to the moving part with the appropriate set screw or crimp so there's about 5 to 10% free travel. This prevents overextension and preserves sensor accuracy as you proceed. You now set proper tension so the cable retracts smoothly without slack, because slack causes false readings and excess friction degrades life. Then connect the sensor leads to your readout or PLC. Verify supply voltage, common grounding, and cable shielding to reduce noise. After powering up, use known reference distances to calibrate the 0 and full-scale positions. This aligns the output with actual travel. Make sure to save calibration values in the controller and check that readings change proportionally throughout the range. You finish by cycling the mechanism through the full stroke at the intended speed to reveal hysteresis or sticking points. Watch the readout for consistent, repeatable values. Once satisfied, secure the cable path with clamps and a small service loop and protect it from pinch points or abrasive contact. Finally, plan routine maintenance. Clean the grommet area, retension if necessary, and replace worn pulleys or cable. If readings jump or bind, check for frayed cable or debris at the retraction spool as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.